Hey everybody, it's Jim T with Key, the realtor from BG, coming at you live from the White House in Bowling Green, Ohio. In today's local market update for October 2020, I will cover the Northwood, Rossford, Lake Township area. That's MLS area number 54. It includes Millbury, Moline, and Walbridge as well. So what we're looking at today is we're looking at a few key indicators. First and foremost, I'd like to point out that the new listings in the month of October 2020 versus 2019 are down by over 26% in this area. So we're not getting the new listings that we should, and what that's doing is it's driving the month supply of inventory down to 1.9 months worth of inventory. That's down 26.9% versus same time 2019. In a typical market that's at equilibrium, we should have between 4 to 5 months supply of inventory. And what that means is when we're at equilibrium, there's equal parts buyers to sellers. And what generally means is the sales prices remain stagnant, flat. They don't go up or down. Everybody's happy. Right now, what this number indicates to us is that 1.9 months of inventory means we have a shortage of supply to meet the demand that's currently out there for housing in this area. And of course, when we compare that to the average sale price of this time, 2019, $138,752 versus end of October of 2020 is $155,082, we're up 11.8%. This is because of this number. We need more listings. If you're contemplating thinking about selling a house in the Northwood, Rossford, Lake Township area, this could be a good year to do that, especially considering the real estate prices have appreciated by a little over 11.8% on average year over year, same time October of 2019. When we're comparing the whole year of January through end of October 2019 to 2020, similar numbers exist. When we're looking at the average sale price, it falls in line with what the average sale price was for just the month of October. The only difference is the percentage change has decreased a little bit from just the October numbers of 2019. So we are getting roughly 99.4% of list price received. So houses that are hitting the market, let's say hypothetically a house hits the market at $100,000 for a single family residence in this area. The seller can expect to probably receive $99,400 as the final purchase price. Now that number is up 1.4%. Again, all of this ties back to the month supply of inventory. This is very much a seller's market, so if you've been contemplating selling, moving, upsizing, downsizing, and you happen to be in the Northwood, Rossford, Lake Township area, this is a perfect time to do it. Overall, there's not much to report in terms of condos and villas just because there's not enough data, there's not enough of these types of housing in this area to look at just October 19 through October of 20. So what we have to do is come over here and look at the year-to-date comparison of this time, October of 19 versus the same time, October of 20. And what we're looking at is kind of meaningless. What this could mean is just one or two houses have closed that are condos, villas in this area. They could have been bank-owned, they could have been interfamily transfers. Without digging into the facts, this number, minus 72.8%, kind of meaningless. What we can extrapolate from the condo villa data from the board is that there's not enough data to create meaning. So if you happen to have a condo or villa and you're thinking about moving into a single family residence and thinking about selling that, please give me a call and I'd be happy to do some more intensive research for you. That way we can get some data and numbers that are more meaningful. But overall, these are what the averages are coming back that the board is reporting for October of 2020. Again, this is Jim T with Key, the realtor from BG, signing off from the White House in Bowling Green. Thanks for watching today, and I hope you got some useful information.